वेलकम बॅक टू माय चॅनल. कशा आहात तुम्ही? श्रीनाथ कशा आहात तुम्ही? सो टाइम झाला आता आम्ही रेडी झाला वचपाक सांजाव आयज असा सांजाव ओके. आणि आम्ही वयता शिवोलीम वयता आणि पाऊस ना सांजाव म्हणजे पाऊस पडला मात ती मजा. सकाळी पडलेलो हय मागीर सामकी धांक सुमार सामकी कडक वत येयले आतां मस्त जाला काळो पण सांजाव दिसाक न्ही पावस पडला मात मजा कित्याक उदकान बी डुबकी मारता न्ही मजा येता पळोवपाक ओके. सो आमी वयता शिवोलीम वयता खूब कडेन आसा आयज ओल्डगोवाय आसा खंय मागीर म्हाका सालिगांव कोण सांगलें थंय आसा पूण आमचो प्लॅन आसलो पयलीं शिवोलीम वचपाचो. तो जस्ट रेडी जाला वयता आमी बायक घेवन. ऋत्वीक येना म्हणपा लागलो आपूण जस्ट तो आतांच सुरातून येयला आनी ताका व्हरप म्हटलें आतां न्हिदेन आसता न्ही तो ताका लागून तो आपूणच येना म्हणपा लागलो. असो म्हटलें आमी वयता वचून पळोवया आयज कशें कितें आहा तें. विवा सांजाव काळोख जाला पावस पडला पुरो थंय पावले की आमी पडल्या पुरो ती आतां रेनकोट घाल वाज ताका लागून. ट्राफीक पळय गाईचो सगळं गँग सामकें पिला बिला वासूर बीन तो पळय कितें बरो क्यूट दिसता. वो तूं बेगिना फाटल्यान म्हाका शिंगा मारतलें मागीर विष्णू चल बेगिना फाटल्यान एक येता. सगळे गँग सारके अभी हो बरी दिसता क्यूट.
Place for you all to dance. They're already in Langa.
म्हाका तें हें घे न्ही
कोणी आता नेका सांगात दियात.
तें घेता हांव. चल
Johnny good and read.
थंय बसला खंय घेवया अबे हांगा पळोवया मागीर न्ही हांगा हें बी आसता सांगोड अबे हांगा बरेंशें पळोवन घे. आं तिमी न्ही तेन्ना कितले खंय हांवें न्ही आर्टिफिशल घेतला यूज करूं म्हटलें
बरें न्हू
टायट कंडिशन आसा फाटल्यान. सो मातशें न्ही हें आसा लूज शिवा म्हटलें मातशें टायट काळोख जाला पावस येतलो. तूं घालना घे तो चला या
Requesting and miracle. Gentlemen, there's another invite. आमचे मध्ये असे बाने. ओ On behalf of Father Boys, myself, Fomil Fernandez, we have come from the Padre village. This is the float we have for this year, a kingfisher. A kingfisher decorated very well on this boat, and this is the message that we would love to give to one and all. Akshay is called a kingfisher, a king for a very specific reason. He has very good qualities of being very speedy, very accurate, perseverance, and he never misses his catch. Today we celebrate the feast of Saint John the Baptist. I can truly call him a kingfisher because he has fished king-size fishes for our Lord Jesus Christ. For he said, "Prepare the way, the Lord is coming." Prepare ourselves for the Lord, our living God, Jesus Christ. And as Jesus said to his disciples, and he says to one and all you heavy laden heart people, lift yourselves, follow me, walk with me, I will give you peace and you will share the grace with me. When we present this post of Kingfisher, the brand Kingfisher is very prominent in Goa for the beverage industry, and it is indeed a king because it is called the King of Good Times. And indeed, we are living for the King of Kings. And for him, yes, it is a good time because each and every one of us are called for a mission. And as the great rocket man of India, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam says, if you want to be like the sun, burn yourself and become the sun. And if you want to see the change, you cannot see any future. Well, change the habit and the habit will change your future. So let's all change our habits and work for the mission that Christ has called us, just the way John the Baptist did, being truthful, working for his purpose in life, and at the end, sticking with perseverance for the will of God and always winning souls for Christ. That should be our goal. That is our message. Perseverance till the end for the missions that we are called for. Thank you. Viva Sanjao. On behalf of all Bade boys, we wish you.
Subir din namore aega maatya ki khobra semester sole viere tui logere para kai me mona osli festa wasa kira rol baudi era viva sana murila cha taiga hormone udon now even good at his salcha kozumana are you going to sing with me salcha sutaule madamganisona I told you surgeta porpola kasona solve diye duila mere bana me ona usli desta. Actually, those of you who don't know what is Dali, are people coming from Smiling Place, yes. People coming from other parts of India. Dali is when a newly married couple is coming, they come with Dali and they come today with jackfruit, orange, sada. So this is Raven who got married and Abigail. So ladies and gentlemen, big round of applause for the newly couple. Raven, you want to say something to everybody? It's Sanjao the woman. Viva Sanjao! Viva Sanjao! Sanjao! Viva Sanjao! Viva Sanjao! 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 Okay? So welcome to Abigail to Sholem Wadi. Okay? She is actually from Korsue. Okay? Her residence is Korsue, but right now she's married. She's in Sholem Wadi. Okay? So you have to come with your Dali. Can you go down and do Dali?
Your kind attention to the stage, all of you out there. I would like you to take as a member of our committee.
I'm your Buddha split down.
Only people on this side, okay? All on this side. We're nice and comfortable sitting out in their seats. Sanjao, Sanjao! People that side next to the Viva Sholem Sanjao board. Sanjao, Sanjao! Viva
Mango.
Viva Sanjao!
This way I go. Oh, she's never lagi mangali. Big words now. Let's go to the last video.
Beautiful song. Join us here. Till then, boy child with long hair, y'all are coming up next after these legends right here, alright? One more time, ladies and gentlemen, for those of you falling asleep. Saja, Saja! Saja, Saja! Energy, man, huh? Energy. Kindly turn your attention, a member of the Sanjao committee, to kindly join me right here. One of the loudest, most excited, and they don't shy away from handing over the mic.
Up to date, botay tomorrow jetang. Kada raja wadila magsimala. Kuito to chapur jagawa. Mawawat kuito to mudesho kuito. Iskola iskola magmoto. Ekadar para uto. Ewan sochilezo. Ahoy korke unay watuzo. Wawa song saluta. Sorgar sal negetra porta. Sayadi sao sengota. I do kyo marun nasta. Sadia sadia gora gasta. Yaut goro.
First of all, I would like to congratulate the organizing committee from Shioli. Every year, last 32 years, and even more than that, they have been organizing this. And the real traditional Sanjao is here in Shioli. Other places we see in the swimming pools, in the resorts, but the tradition of Goa, of Sanjao has been maintained for years together here in Shioli. And it's a matter of pride for us Shiolkars that we are having it, and the whole of Goa, the whole of all the tourists, they come here in large numbers and they enjoy this. And the most beautiful part is where आमची ओडी, ट्रेडिशनल ओडी एक वाड्यांतली हांगा येतात आनी आमचे ट्रेडिशनल फोक डान्स हांगा जातात पळय ते. सो आय रियली कॉंग्रॅच्युलेट द ऑर्गनायझिंग कमिटी हेडेड बाय सिल्वेस्टर एंड ऑल ऑफ यू ऑल for keeping the tradition of Sanjao and keeping the tradition of Goa alive. And my help as a MLA will always be there to organize many such traditional Goan festivals. Viva Sanjao! Only thing lacking here is
Fine, how are you? Thank you so much. बरं बोल आमका.
नाव कितें?
माझं नाव जॉन मॅक्सी डिसोजा.
जॉन मॅक्सी डिसोजा सबस्क्रायबर आमकां मेळ्ळाय.
सॉलिड व्हिडिओ काढता हर बेस्ट आय लाईक इट रिअली
Thank you so much.
असंच मोग दवर.
सगळ्याला शेअर बी सगळ्याला करता बिना
Thank you so much. Yes, thank you.
Solo sukut hayatnace amimi. It's now to am magic in the air.
तो जाल्ले आसा आणि खूप एन्जॉय केले. मेन म्हणजे पावस असल्याने आणि खूप बरें जावपाचें
Yeah.
मेन पावस ना न्ही गर्मीन तर रावपाक जावंक ना इतलें पण बेस्ट एन्जॉय केले. रितीव आसलो एन्जॉय करपाचो. ओके सो चला ब्लॉग हांव हांगाच एंड करता. इफ तुमकां व्हिडिओ आवडलो जाल्यार प्लीज लाईक करा, शेअर करा, आणि चॅनलला सबस्क्राईब करा. तर मेळ्या नेक्स्ट व्हिडिओ टील देन बाय, टेक केअर. ओके सो आयज बर्थडे आसा 2 ताका विश करया. तो फर्स्ट आसा लिजा फर्नांडीस. विशिंग यू मेनी मेनी हॅपी रिटर्न्स ऑफ द डे. गॉड ब्लेस यू विथ गुड हेल्थ हॅपीनेस. देवा तुमचे हेल्थ बरें दवरचें हांव हेच देवा कडेन मागता. तो वन्स अगेन हॅपी बर्थडे लिजा फर्नांडीस. नेक्स्ट आसा रियोना दा कॉस्टा. तो विशिंग यू मेनी मेनी हॅपी रिटर्न्स ऑफ द डे. गॉड ब्लेस यू विथ गुड हेल्थ हॅपीनेस. देवा तुमचे हेल्थ बरें दवरचें हांव हेच देवा कडेन मागता. ओके तो वन्स अगेन हॅपी बर्थडे लिसा आनी रियोना.
Happy birthday and many blessings to you. May God make all wishes come true. Happy birthday.